like you guys and please subscribe and rate us. So let's begin. I'll show you mine first. I made sort of flyer. Okay. And then go round. My best seller is this one. This is also my and it's over. This is worse here. And there's a little bit here. I'll show you how it flies. Get through the hallway. And my very, 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 very best seller here. I made it for him. Yeah, but I only one. You can copy it, but a little bit different, and I'll show you how to fly it. Pretty impressive. And this one is also my bestseller. I'll show you how it's normal, but a little bit smaller. Through the bathroom. This is my worst seller ever. See, I'll show you how to fly. And it flies down here because of this. This is my fairy, and this is a seat. This is a fairy airplane. So let's go through the hallway. Not much to fly. And this is quite good. And I'll show you it looks like a chapter box, but it's a mini plane because I put it lots and lots. And it twirls all around. This is my worst seller. I have two worst sellers. So go over arm and twirls to the bathroom. My next seller is this, which is quite very good. It twirls and twirls and twirls. Not that impressive. One more fly. And it twirls and loops. So this is like an airplane, but and only one holder, which connects to the airplane. I'll show you how it flies. Past my room. I'll show you my next airplane. I didn't do it. This is quite good, but it's very fast. My next bad seller is this. It opens when the wind catches and opens with this turtle. I'll show you. And it flies back. Good. I'm very expressive. Oh no, I did that. Did I do this? Honey, did I do this? No, maybe. Yes, I did. Yes, you did. Yes. And this is my user seller, which is so bad. It opened when it flies and turns because I cut. This is my cocktail airplane. So through the hallway. Oh, you just done it. I didn't. Oh yeah. This is my next. Oh, I did it. Who is my next? This is very bad. It's like a frisbee. Frisbee. Not much. Not much. This is my worst seller. But I also have the wings like an airplane, and these two at the back. So one hand hold the other, one hand hold it, and over your head and down. Good. Losers. No. This is my quite good one, and it opens when I shoot it very hard, like this. This is my dangling airplane, which danglers squares. I'll show you it. Pretty impressive though. To the bathroom. This is my final.
Kita